somebody watching this, this is not the best. Hey guys, welcome back. I haven't posted in a long time, but again, I'm not that famous. But if you are watching, please subscribe and hit the like. I'm trying to get to 100 likes and subscribers, and let's just get into it. Okay guys, today we're doing a comparison of chicken nuggets, vegan and non-vegan and all that stuff. So these are vegan, these are regular, these are gluten-free. So let's just dig into it. For my sauce, I did Polynesian. You can use whatever sauce you want, but let's start with the real ones. Okay, and it's regular. It's chicken nuggets. You probably know what they taste like, so they're pretty good. But next we can do vegan. I wonder what this is made out of. If you are somebody watching this, this is not the best. Not the best. But please try it out. But not the best, not good. I'll give it like a 7. Nah, 7. It's not very good comparing to these chicken nuggets, which are like a 9. Okay, now gluten-free. You guys might know what that means. Okay, dig into it. I like these ones better than the regular. I give these a solid 9. These go down to it. So now my mom's either gonna show up the rating, but I'm gonna tell you my thing. This is like a 7, like the regular is 8.5. This is 9. These are good. These are my best. They're gluten-free. Bye guys. I hope you liked this video, and please check out my ice cream video. And it's in the Andrew's table. Remember, you're watching it. And see you guys next time.